Hi guys! In the previous episodes of this series, we built the catalog, the filters, and a parser that pulls real products into our store. Today, we're adding a minimal shopping cart, add to cart from the catalog and from the product page, a counter in the header, a dedicated cart page, and quantity controls. First, we'll see it work, then we'll walk the code from a click all the way down to the cookie. Web Galaxy. On the catalog card, we have a red Buy button. Click it. The button instantly flips to white with a red outline, a check mark, and the label In Cart. And up in the top right, the cart counter shows 1. On the product page, the same button does the same thing. 1 click, item is added. Counter goes to 2. On mobile, the button shrinks to just the icon. The text is hidden so the card stays compact. Tap, and it's added. The cart icon takes us to the My Cart page. Each item shows the photo, name, brand, price. On the right, on desktop, there's a sticky summary block with the total. On mobile, everything stacks neatly, plus increases the quantity, the total and header counter update instantly. Minus decreases it. Trash removes the line. No page reloads, no full page round trips. It works. Let's look under the hood. We'll follow the path of the request. Routes, controller, action, cookie, response, Vuex store, reactive UI. Inside the localization group in routes.web.php, we have 4 cart routes. Get, cart is the page, post, cart products, adds an item, patch, cart products, product updates the quantity, delete, cart products, product removes it. All of them go to cart controller. The controller is thin. Index renders an inertia page. Store validates slug and quantity, finds the product, and calls cart dad. Update validates a quantity from 0 to 99 and calls cart set quantity. Destroy calls cart remove. Every method returns JSON with cart items and cart count. The actual logic lives in the cart class under app actions. We store state in a cookie called cart, a plain associative array of product ID, quantity, serialized as JSON. Add reads the cookie and increments the quantity. Set quantity writes an exact value. If the value is 0 or below, the line gets removed. Remove deletes the key. We persist via cookie. Queue with a 30-day lifetime. Why a cookie and not a database table? It's the minimal step. A guest can throw items in without signing up, the data survives a tab close, and there are 0 extra database queries on every request. If later we need cross-device sync for logged-in users, we'll move it to a table. Cart repository reads the same cookie and returns either the ID quantity list or the total count or fully hydrated product models for the cart page. In the handle inertia requests middleware, we share 2 props through inertia on every request, cart items and cart count. That's the initial state view picks up on first load. The Vuex store holds cart items. It has 1 mutation, set cart items, and 2 getters. Cart count sums up all quantities, and cart product IDs returns just the IDs. That's what the button needs to know its state. The button itself is Add Product to Cart button. A computed property is in cart, looks at cart product IDs. If the product's ID is in there, we render the in-cart variant, and a click sends a delete. Otherwise, we render buy, and a click sends a post with the slug and quantity. After the response, we commit set cart items, and the entire UI reactively updates. Header counter, button state, cart page. The cart page renders the lines with v_for. The plus and minus buttons call set quantity, which sends a patch. The response carries the new state, which goes back into Vuex. That's the whole path. Click, Axios, root, controller, action, cookie, response, Vuex, reactive UI. No database, no unnecessary abstractions. In the next video, we'll build checkout. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and see you next time.